the Filipino word mahusay, mahusay which means well or skillfully in English. Mahusay, mahusay. Kumanta siya ng mahusay sa entablado. It means he or she sang well on the stage. Kanta, that's sing, and then siya is he or she, it's gender neutral. Mahusay is skillfully, and then an entablado is a stage. Kumanta siya ng mahusay sa entablado. Nagluto sila ng mahusay para sa handaan. They cooked skillfully for the party. Nagluto, luto is like cook, nagluto is past tense. And then sila is they, mahusay is well or skillfully para for, handaan is a party. Nagluto sila ng mahusay para sa handaan. Tinapos niya ang proyekto ng mahusay. He or she finished the project well. Tapos is like finished. Tinapos past tense, finished. Niya is he or she, it's gender neutral. Proyekto is a project. And then mahusay is skillfully. Tinapos niya ang proyekto ng mahusay. Mahusay silang sumayaw. It means they dance skillfully. Mahusay means skillful. Sila is they. It's in English they. And then sayaw is like that's the root word dance. Mahusay silang sumayaw. And that is all for our Filipino word mahusay, which means well or skillfully in English. Mahusay. Mahusay.